BMW M5. The new BMW M5 takes driving dynamics into a new dimension. Making its debut in the 6th generation of the high-performance sedan is the new M-specific all-wheel drive system M xDrive. Not only does this drive system enable the M5 to reach new heights of dynamic performance, it means that it excels in terms of everyday practicality and delivers supreme poise in all driving conditions as well. Frank van Meel, chairman of the board of management at BMW M GmbH, explains the benefits of the pioneering drivetrain technology aboard the new BMW M5. Thanks to M xDrive, the new BMW M5 can be piloted with the familiar blend of sportiness and unerring accuracy both on the racetrack and out on the open road, while also delighting drivers with its significantly enhanced directional stability and controllability right up to the limits of performance when driving in adverse conditions such as in the wet or snow. The car's ability to juggle complete suitability for everyday use on the one hand and sheer driving pleasure and superb track performance on the other is down to the M xDrive system's central intelligent control capability. When the engine is first started, the new BMW M5 will be in all-wheel drive mode, 4WD, with dynamic stability control, DSC, switched on. The driver is then able to vary the handling characteristics of the M5 by activating various driving dynamics modes, including a rear-wheel drive mode with no DSC. In this 2WD mode, the new BMW M5 allows accomplished drivers to enjoy a purebred form of driving pleasure.